Here are the front axles, front axle and rear axle. You can see that they're all broken down. They've been media blasted, and we've maybe shown you some of the process of rebuilding these, which is typical for any restoration of this magnitude. We have brand new Toyota gaskets going back on, and seals and other things. This is the knuckle the way it appears when everything's out of it, and we're putting new trunnion bearings or knuckle bearings in it. We're even putting on a new stud here in the front here where the shock mount would go, because the other ones were just in poor shape, deteriorated, as well as a few other little brackets. We're welding those on, and tabs for brake lines to be affixed to. Same thing for the rear. It's already back together, and you can see the brand new gasket in there, as well as new tabs for brake lines to affix to. Either way, this one's just about complete, and the rear one will go back together. The front one will go back together here shortly.